Hello! Welcome to the start of me trying to fix my car of the year for 1991. As you all seen in the previous video, this beautiful Phase 1 Renault Clio has a fair old repair list to wade through. So I thought I'd have a go at one of the easier jobs and totally ignore the elephant in the room. Rust? What rust? I didn't see any rust. Did you see any rust? It wasn't any rust there. Definitely wasn't any rust when I bought that car. That car's perfect.
Okay, so problemos number one is the ignition on. Is the heater blower doesn't work. I got nothing. And it's 0. So first thing I've got to do is find out what's going on with this. So I suppose the first thing to do is check fuses, which I believe is under here. I think it must be that. So it can't be for the radiator fan, because that'll be in the engine bay somewhere, I think. Come on. There we go. Oh, what have we got then? That looks alright. Okay, well, there's another 20. Let's try that. There we go. Right. Be nice if that was it, wouldn't it? Yay, nothing. It's not the fuse. Next port of call, I suppose, is checking the blower motor. I think that's where the blower motor is hidden, and I've got to get past taking these off, and then I think it's there, that's right, and then another one that side. Get this off, and then it should reveal under there somewhere. That's just a plastic shielding the actual blower motor itself. This is a resistor here. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got him. Lesson 1, do it with that bolted in. How is that meant to come out with that there? Okay, book needs to be consulted. Okay, so it seems like on right-hand drive models, other than the wiper linkage, you've actually got to move the ECU, the computer as it calls it, and those two bolts need to come out, plus that one there. So we'll give that a little go. Right, so one computer. He's paying attention to how that went apart, because I wasn't. And then Ta-da! Blower motor. Right, well, there you go. Computer's out. Look how solid it is. I mean, those drain... It's amazing. Those drain holes, they've obviously been doing a great job because they've been clearing all the crud out to go there, but it's so clean. It's just a bit manky with leaves, but even that isn't that bad. I've seen way worse. That doesn't look bad either. I expected these to be full up with crap. There you go. Right, next stop probably little hoover, just make sure all that's clean. Not clean as a whistle, there's no detail to show, but it's alright, isn't it? Much better than it was. This is the heater wires, oh sorry, the blower wires I should say, and I don't think they should look like that. It looks like someone's sealed it. I wonder if it had some water ingress and then started causing problems, because look at that. There are 4 inputs and that one looks absolutely knackered. I don't know what's going on with that. It's like it's melted, isn't it? It's gone pretty bad. Anyway, I'm going to plug it back in and see what happens, because the motor, the blower itself, was spinning quite freely, which was a good thing. I can see it in there. Yeah, there you go. It was quite free. So I know it's definitely not a seized motor, but of course it could be this, which is the resistor. Is there? Yeah, there it is. Could be the resistor. But a lot of times with the resistors, they allow it to work on the top setting because there's no resistance and there's nothing. Anyway, we'll give it a little plug and see what happens. Oh, it's like magic. It's working. Where can I put it where it won't? It's got a lot of torque. Do you have a magical moment? It just moved. Let's have a look. Great and all. Why is it working now? I think what I'm going to have to do then is probably clean up the contacts, both in there and in there. That seems to be the culprit. That's the one that seems to have sort of melted it slightly. But yeah, clean these up. But as you can see, it is actually working, so I have to get it all back together again.
Well, I'd call that a nice little win to start us off with, wouldn't you? Sets us up nicely for round 2 of Operation Rusty Nicole, where things start turning a shade browner. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one.